Would you look at that sunrise, guys? Absolute beautiful morning today. Mille, late October. And Mille is one of my favorite things to do this time of the year, especially in the fall. A lot of big fish, a lot of bites, and it's just a great way to end the season. I'm out here with Dom. He's in the other boat over there. Dom is another guy that you guys saw when we went fishing at Boundary Waters canoe area, but we got a bunch of stuff on deck. We're gonna try everything to catch these smallmouth bass. Hopefully we catch a big one. I want to break 6 pounds, but we can't. I'll just take whatever we can, but I'm gonna try to catch the best 5 bass. Join us, guys. Let's try to have some fun. I'm gonna try to have some fun. We're gonna take advantage of this low winds. Once it gets windy, we're gonna have to change positions on the lake. But yeah, I'm wearing my ice suit. It feels really stiff. I'm not used to it, but we're gonna go fishing. See you guys on the GoPro. Let's go. Almost cast it out my line. Drop shot here. So right now we're basically just fishing on top of the reef. Just throwing around it. See if we get bit. Oh, she's hooked up. Oh, on the other side. 6 pounder? Dude, that thing is fat, bro. Damn, bro. 5 pounder. Come on, fish. You gotta give your boy a catch, man. Tons of fish I see on live scope, but what up?
Any fish?
Hell no.
Damn, bro.
Yep.
Are you still fishing the deep stuff?
Kind of, yeah. I see them, but it's just not reacting.
Well, keep grinding.
All right. Bye.
All right.
That's crazy, bro. All mid-stroke. What the heck? .7, bro. That's crazy, bro. I'm jealous. I'm jealous. No, Dom just caught a freaking 6.7 pound smallie. That's the one that they're biting? All right, I'm gonna put mine on then. 6 inch or 5 inch? 6 or 5? Okay. Oh. You like hit bottom? And then just roll in. Ah. Let's go, finally. Finally hooked up. Don't feel that big. Finally! Yeah, bro. Damn, it took forever. They're a little big. I don't know, my first smallie. Woo! Finally, dude. Woo! 4 pounder. Dip, suck 'em out of shad, bro. You heading out? It's only just high 3. Well, we're just gonna say 4.18. I don't know. All right. What's your name?
Alex.
Alan?
Alex.
Alex?
Yep.
Nice to meet you. I'm Bindi. I might just leave and go hit shallow and catch some dinks because I only caught one fish today.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'll see you guys around. I'm gonna go try around and then hopefully run into you guys later. Good luck.
We'll come next to us if you want to.
Yeah.
I'll call you if they're biting.
I hope so.
Yeah.
That's what they're talking about. I see it. They fish really do just come up. I just saw like a fish just like come up out of nowhere. Ugh! Big ass waves. Oh, that felt like a good one. Come on. Finally. Don't feel that big. Man, second fish of the day, guys. 12:34. Big head shakes. They all look so big, man. Oh yeah. Maybe like a 4 again. Wow, dude, beast. Oh yeah, this has got to be a 4-pounder. Reservoir shad. Look at this beast, guys. Oh, this is why we come out and relax. Man, look how fat they are in here, guys. Oh, love it. Fish number 2. Probably like a 4-pounder. Gosh, it's not locking. 4.29. We'll take it. 4.29. God damn, bro. Fish is just so freaking fat out here. So healthy. It's insane. Oh, so freaking thick. That's not my second fish of the day, guys. Can you believe that? Got him. Another one. Oh, pulling drag, boy. Woohoo! Let's go. He was really big. Come on, is it bigger than a 4-pounder? I'm sure it is staying down there. 6-pound test. Come on, baby. Let's go. Fish number 3, guys. Dang, all the smallmouth were just so freaking big looking, especially in the water. Woo! Holy shit, this is amazing. Fish number 3. Dude, look big as heck. Damn, son. Fought way stronger, but not as big. But I'll take it though. They're like 3-pounder. I think these fish move shallow. 4.19, whatever. It's like freaking stud. Reservoir shad. Depth Sakamata shad. Looks like a tule. These smallmouths eat, I think. I'm just casting in front of me, just throwing at whatever. I don't even know, man. I just see like a group of rocks. I cast to it, and I get bit. I saw a fish come and look at it, but turn around. But there's A lot of rocks on 360. I was just seeing some like gravel over there, but 16 feet of water might prove a good area for these fish to come hang out. I don't know. Come on, I want to get a freaking thump, guys. Might have to just stick to what's working, which is the Sakamata shad, but dang, my arm is freaking tired from jerking. There you go. Came out of the rock, smashed it. Ooh. Let him go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Out deep. Biggin. Doesn't feel that big. It looks humongous though. God, everything just looks so big in this crystal clear water. Come on. Oh, this might be a 5, I think. Let's go, baby! Let's go! Might be another 4. Damn, son! Woo, look at this fish, guys. Damn. Freaking stud. Pops right out. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa. Biggin. I'd say like a 4-pounder. Fish number 4 though. Took long enough. Stop moving, my buddy. 4.67. 4.67, fish number 4. Freaking beautiful fish, guys. Send her on the way. Let's go. Every fish just feels so big, dude. Caught that guy in 22 feet of water. I'm not catching numbers at all, guys. Sure am catching quality though. Damn. I bet none of these are bass. I think there's some other trash fish. Descending down to the depths. Come on, let's see if we can draw anybody out of this home. Big boulder? It's gotta be one, I think. Go. One of them was a smallmouth at least. You don't feel that big. Jeez. They all look so big underwater. Okay, number 5, guys. Yes, sir. Whoa, this might be a 5-pounder. Oh yeah, this has got to be a 5-pounder, guys. Oh yeah, 5-pounder, baby. Let's freaking go, dude. .09. Clear that. Let's do another one. All right, this boat keeps rocking. Whatever. It's a 5-pounder. So a 5-pounder, we're at 22.34 pounds. Let this fish go. Freaking 5-pounder. Oh. Man, that's crazy, guys. 22-pound bag, not bad. Not crazy. But man, I thought all these fish out short weren't exactly bass, but that guy sure was. But most of them don't react. You get lucky, you get them to react. They do react. There you go. Oh, same rocks I've caught fish before. Biggins? It's kind of big. Oh, he's kind of big. Oh. He was big, guys. Fighting strong. Can't really see how big this fish is, but you don't feel that big, but he's strong. Not that big, but he's strong. Dude, inside their mouth, you can see hella crayfish, dude. I'm not sure you guys can see, but he's got crayfish in his mouth. It's funny tail too. This guy fought strong. The thing is, when you come out here, you gotta retie a lot. Oh, I got a fish on. What the heck? I was just reeling it in. I didn't know I had a fish. What? Ooh. Dang, it feels like a big one. Either that or my drag's just loose. I was just jigging it in. Also, I'm like, wait, why does it feel like I'm stuck to like fishing line? I can't tell if he's big though. He was kind of like a good sized fish. I can't really tell. I think it's a 4-pounder. He's fighting pretty good. I don't know if he's big or... He definitely feels big. I don't know. Oh man, I don't know. I don't know if he's big or he just feels big or... A walleye? Oh no, it's a giant smallmouth. Extra room to fight the fish over here. Oh god, this is a monster. Oh. This is like a 5-pounder, I think. Let's go. Oh, this dude fought strong. This is the strongest fish I've fought today. Oh, maybe another high 4, I don't know. Oh, dude. Oh, dude, look at this thing. It's fucking huge, dude. He's... Oh. Damn, son. Oh, this thing's gotta be like a... I don't know. Oh, he's a 20-incher. He's a 20-incher. Might be a 5-pounder. 5-pounder. Oh, oh, man, look at the awesome conditions we have today, too. Let's go there it out, boys. I think she's gonna be a 5-pounder. Ooh. She's gonna be what? 5.48. Calls fish number 1. 23.64. 5.48. Damn, that's a stud, man. Holy shit. Oh, what a beauty. Golly. This Just look at these fish, guys. They're so freaking big, dude. Oh, I love it. I love everything about it. Oh man, look at that, dude. Freaking beast. These smallmouth are just so freaking strong and fat as fuck. Alright, let you go. Yeah, that's a good way to put some fish slime in the boat. 23 pounds, that's cool, me. Get a freaking dunk, dude. My neck is so freaking sore from staring at the freaking live scope, dude. I want to feel a dunk, you know. That was sick though. I don't know, I just can't get bit with the freaking, I don't know, 6 pound test, man, you know. This is just a 5-inch Sakamaya shad too, you guys are wondering. I'm just fishing offshore rock in about 23 feet of water. Oh man, that's just so freaking fun, guys. So I'm just fishing some rocks. You guys see on live scope. I'm letting my lure hit all the way to the bottom. I'm just slowly working it in. Oh yeah, let's go. This guy feels big. Come on, be a biggin. Come on. Give me another 5-pounder. He was good. Oh, he's dogging good. Yep. Saw this guy come out of the rocks. Let's go. Go back to the boat so I can fight him back here. 3-pounder. No, it's a 4. A low 4. Low 4. Look how small his mouth is. But look how fat he is, bro. Dude, you guys come out here like a freaking 2-pounder becomes a 3. Like, you're just so freaking fat. Oh, I already had one on. What the heck? Oh, this dude just barely in spot. Feels kind of big. Oh, horsing him in too much, man. Horsing him in too much. I have no idea how big that fish was, but I lost it. Where is this random wind coming from? The wind is coming in for real, for real. Oh yeah, another one. This one feels big. All right, can't lose this fish. I'm gonna have to play my drag. Oh, it feels big. They all feel big, but this one feels big. I don't know. Maybe because I just have less fluorocarbon on my line. Ooh, big one. Oh shit. It's a jumper. Oh yeah. Oh, this one's big too. Oh, into the net. Whoa, this one's big. Another 4-pounder. Oh, I don't know, but he's big. Damn. Damn, guys. This is a big fish. He's not that fat though, but he's long. I think he's gonna be a 20 and a half incher. No, 20 incher. But he doesn't have the gut. So maybe a high 4. Man, that wind is coming in. Another 5-pounder. This calls our fish number 3, and now we're at 24.46. Nice. Third 5-pounder of the day. Oh, look at this, guys. Man, this dude is nice. Oh, the stud. So freaking beautiful out here, guys. His mouth is pretty big too. All right, we'll let him go. Oh, freaking stud. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Finally on an offshore spot where we're actually able to catch consistent fish. Oh yeah. Another one. I don't know if he feels big, but we'll just fight the fish. You don't feel that big. You don't feel that big, guys. They don't feel that big. Might be just a 4 or a 3-pounder. He's a rod, not even that bad. Oh well, I enjoy catching and fighting my smallmouth while I'm still here. It's not that big. No, 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 no. We're not gonna do this. There you go. Fatty. That was exciting, guys. Time is 2:55. We caught a lot of fish back to back. But overall, very slow morning. Picked up in the afternoon though, which I can't complain about that. Wow, that is fucking wild, dude. You guys might be wondering how the day went in Mille, and I gotta say it was very fun, fantastic. Battled ocean-like waves in my tiny 15-foot bass boat, and now everything is drenched. It's a 90s boat, and so if water gets through the deck, it gets through the seams of the locker, and everything gets drenched. I currently had like all my tackle boxes, all my tackle, soft plastics, everything is completely drenched. So now I'm just letting everything just kind of like air out. But the next few days here, I don't think we're gonna have any type of humid weather to maybe like dry it completely out. So I think I gotta actually go individually each plastic and wipe it down, because if you don't, then the plastic is going to absorb the water and it's gonna get all like funny. It's gonna be all like spongy, very soft, and also very, I don't know, it just gets like bubbly looking, you know. Maybe you know, maybe you don't know, but yeah. So I was riding my boat back to the ramp, right? And I hit this huge wave. I hit it so hard, my front Garmin 93 SV just like completely stops working, right? So I tried to like mess with it. I brought it to the console, plugged in the power, and that worked. But then at the console, at the mount, it doesn't work. It doesn't have power for some reason. So I gotta, you know, open up all the insides of the guts in the front and find out if it's a fuse issue or whatever. But, you know, I'm glad it happened now at the end of the season and not during, you know, tournament season and whatever. But I don't know, maybe I can get it fixed up so we can maybe go fishing one more time, or maybe we can take out the kayak. Only went fishing on the kayak like one time, I think, this year, right? So yeah, I don't know, man. All I gotta say, guys, is that like I learned a lot for today's Mille trip. You know, fishing wise as well, just going out there, really using my live scope and my 360 to, you know, troll around and really find out what I want to fish and where fish are at, right? So on live scope, I actually saw a lot of fish. Some bass, some are walleye. Walleyes, they were very finicky today. And there must be some other type of game fish. I don't know, maybe like Cisco, the Tulibis, right? And, you know, they weren't really reacting. But, you know, it is what it is. I mean, the biggest lesson that I learned today was defeating in my experience, anxiety, right? So before we were gonna go fishing in today's video, I was gonna have my buddy go out with me, my Uncle Ty, right? He was supposed to go with me, but he ultimately had to change his plan, so he couldn't go. And so I asked Too Long, and then Too Long said he couldn't go because he was drinking. And I asked Sam, but then Sam said he couldn't because he works and he already has been fishing for 3 straight days, and so he can't go. I'm like, well, make it 4 days, jokingly, but he couldn't, right? And so I'm like, shoot, now I gotta go to Mille Lacs by myself, and it's about a 2-hour drive from the cities up to Mille Lacs, and I'm like, dang, dude, I'm really not too comfortable with that, and it feels like out of the way to do all this stuff. Like, what if I don't have someone there? What if something happens and no one's there to help me? And all this stupid anxiety shit all happened after, like, my grandpa passed away, and, you know, the mind starts going crazy, and you live within your head, and it definitely gave me some scares, and I'm like, you know what, fuck, I don't think I can do this. But, you know, I decided, you know what, I gotta remember my roots, my youth of being able to do shit and not be scared, and just like, you know what, there is no such thing as the fear you create in your head, the scenarios like, oh, what if I drive and I hit a fucking deer, or what if I drive somewhere and my tire flies off and I'm fucked on the road, you know? That, it probably will not happen, you know? So I was able to prove that theory correct, go all the way to Mille Lacs, come back home, solo fish all day, drive 4 hours back and forth, and totally okay, you know? So that's good for me. I don't know if you guys battle with anxiety too. I battle with it like every day, but every day I battle with it, I feel like I'm overcoming it more and more, and there's new thing that arises, and then I gotta defeat it again, and I don't know when it will end, but hopefully it will. But just goes to show that I can still go out there and make fantastic trip. I know it's been like, it's a pretty long outro. Appreciate you guys sticking along, and those who left, I get you. That's fine. This is just me rambling, but yeah. But yeah, that's all. I don't think I have anything else much to say. Yeah. Other than that, guys, appreciate you guys so much. You guys love me taking out that kid. That's awesome. I don't know what else to do, but yeah, just a regular YouTube channel. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you on the next one, all right? Peace out.
Can you do a picture of us?
It's a video.
Do a picture. Yeah, do a picture. Mom, Ega. Come here. Can you do a picture of us, please? Do a picture.